Hola beauties, and welcome back to another try on haul. In today's video, I have decided, although the summer is here and we are very much so almost into the fall, I had a few items that I picked up from Fashion Nova over the last couple of months, and I decided, why not do a summer try on haul? Well, like I said, technically we're going into the fall, but here in Houston, you can have the summer in the fall. You can still have a day of summer in the winter. So, you just put on whatever fits the day or the occasion. So anyway, I decided to bring you a Fashion Nova summer try on haul. Before we get into the try on haul, let's get all the logistics done. Y'all already know the routine. Make sure you click that subscribe button. And when you are done with that, make sure you click that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything that I am bringing to you. Make sure you leave me a comment. I always like to hear your feedback. Let me know what you like and what you would like to see next. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. We all love a good old thumbs up. And most importantly, make sure you share it. Sharing means caring. Now let's get into the video. Up first, I don't know if any of you all know, but maybe you do. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm sure you know. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at enhanced_beauty. Oh, and at Curvy Girl Style Guide. So if you follow me on both of those pages, Curvy Girl Style Guide is my fashion page, then you know that jumpers are my favorite, and jumpers are an easy breezy outfit. Very simple. You don't have to do much. You add your accessories and your heels, a handbag, and you are good to go. So I am beginning with a jumper. Very cute. It is a really cute jumper. It is a size large and it's just cute. I love everything about it. As you can see, have the spaghetti straps going on. So just give me a moment. Let me step back. She is cute. Let me turn to the back. As you can see, this jumper is wide leg. My shoes happen to be from Fashion Nova as well. These shoes are really, really cute. Y'all see that? We'll try and zoom in right here so you can see. The heel is crystal clear. The back is black. It's just a really cute shoe, and I decided, why not put it on with this? Because this wide leg jumper without the heels on, it is dragging the floor. I'm not the tallest, I'm only 5'3", so it's dragging the floor, but it fits so nice. Now, only thing that I had a problem with that I did not like, here in the center, I don't know, it came with some kind of stain on it. Didn't like that, but other than that, it is good to go. I love it.
Is it hot in here or is it just me?
Up next, y'all, I'm not really feeling this one. And I just realized that each piece that I'm trying on today is a jumper. My favorite. This particular look is 2 pieces. I actually needed a top underneath. The top is true white, but the white that's in the jumper is not true white. It's actually like a little bit off-white, almost ivory. But I don't know, it's cute, but it's just not, I don't know, I'm just not really feeling it. I have on the same heels that I had on before, and both of these pieces are a size large. Now, the jumper is a little bit stretchy, but it's, let me just let you see. Yes. Y'all, I am just feeling these wide leg jumpers. They are really cute. I like them. Like I said, it's cute, but this right here, because it doesn't come all the way up. That's the way that it's made. It ties. Let me let you see the back. It's stretchy, but you can't pull it all the way up because of the way it's made. Overall, it is still cute. I just think I need to make the strings a little bit tighter, like pull them together a little more. Right now, they just kind of hanging, but you all get the drift. Look number 2.
What's poppin'? Brand new.
Outfit number 3. Y'all, I like this. I am mad now. This was one of the ones that I purchased for my photo shoot, but I chose not to wear it. I chose to wear the one that I wore from Shein. This one right here. I chose to wear this one, but oh my gosh, I should have worn this. This is cute, y'all. Now, I have on the wrong underwear, but that's okay, because whenever I really wear it, best believe, baby, everything gonna be smooth. But let me let y'all see. with leggings. When I saw this jumper, I was like, oh my God, that is cute. So anyway, it is a size large. It is stretchy. Now let me tell you, I had to carefully put it on leg by leg and bring it up because I did not want to mess it up. I didn't want to put a scratch or a snag in it. I just did not want to do that. It fits really good, y'all. It is very stretchy. I love it. Love, love, love it. And I am just mad that I did not wear this for my photo shoot. I should have another one coming up in the near future. The enhancer of enhanced beauty. Outfit number 4 is another jumper. Yeah, you already know it's a jumper. This one is similar to the jumper that I actually wore for my photo shoot. It just doesn't have the built-in choker, but everything else is the same, and I'm actually wearing the belt that I wore. So let me just let you see.
Shorty your little body, shorty my little boo thing.
Get into these heels first. Y'all know the square toe is a thing now. It is on trend these days with the shoes. Check out the heel of this shoe. Really cute. But let me just tell you a little bit about the jumper. It's very stretchy. This is a size large. Let me let you see the back. It's very cute. I like it. What I want to do is, since I have this on, I want to show you a few other belts that I purchased because I really didn't know which belt I wanted to wear. This is the one I ended up wearing. I really like it because it gives the illusion of G's. I know. I've always wanted the big G Gucci belt, but it's just not in my budget right now. So I settled for this, the big C's from Fashion Nova, and it served its purpose. It accessorized my outfit. But now let me show you a couple of other belts that I picked up. I've always wanted a corset belt. I've always wanted a leather looking corset belt. This is supposed to go like this and pull back here, but honey, it would not stay. It's a one size fit all, but someone with a smaller waistline, it would be super cute. But anyway, let's just get into this corset belt. This one actually fits. Snaps in the back, although I just have the top and the bottom button, couldn't get to that middle. It laces up here and it ties down here. Really cute. Let me just let you see the full effect of it. This is another accessory that I picked up. Y'all know I love animal print. Zips here and it opens up. Really cute. Check it out. I love this cute little purse, and you can carry it this way or you can wear it as a crossbody. I don't know how long the straps are, but here. But this is another accessory that I picked up.
And shorty got the fatty. Shorty be catching more.
It's giving me slaycation, vacation vibes.
Come with me, fly you out to grief. Full speed, so volley Paris.
All right, y'all, I am back with the last outfit. This is the look. I am a Nova babe from head to toe. The hat, the shades, the handbag. Let me step back. The dress and the heels. Same heels from earlier. Baby, this is slaycation vibes all day, every day. We are still in the midst of a pandemic, but honey, this is making me want to go somewhere. Since I'm not leaving the city, I would definitely rock this look at brunch. Here I am pairing, I have my mixed prints going on. I told y'all in another video, I love to rock the animal print and stripes. It is the perfect mixed pattern look for me. I love it. This dress is a size medium. It's very, very stretchy. Very cute, have side slits on each side. You could dress her up, you could dress her down. This would be just as cute with a pair of really cute sandals, however you choose to wear it. One thing that I want to tell you all, when you are purchasing online, always check the description of the item. It will give you all the details of the item, and it will let you know exactly what the blends are, what materials they are made with. Like I said before in videos back, stretch is my best friend. I usually will not ever wear any items that does not contain stretch, especially when you are a curvy girl. And this dress is very stretchy. It's a little bit big around here, but I mean, I will still rock this look. I want to to thank you all for tuning in to this Fashion Nova Summer Try-On Haul. Have you gotten your hashtag enhanced tee? If you have not copped your hashtag enhanced tee, I need you to stop right now. Go to www.enhancedbeautybyursula.com and get your tee. Now you can get your tee in a variety of colors. You can choose the print color that you like, all of that. If you have not become a part of the squad, I want you to stop right now. Before you exit out of the video, make sure you click that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up on the video. I want to get this video to at least 50 likes. That's not much to ask, 50 likes. Make sure you leave me a comment. Let me know which look was your favorite, where you would rock this look. And of course, let me know what you would like to see in the future. And last but not least, stay popping, YouTube. Adios.